Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Investment Splash. In today's video I want to show you how you can get free TRX unlimitedly. As you can see on my screen guys, that I've just collected 0.005 TRX all for free. It is free guys, it's all for free, and it will be paid to you instantly into your sorry, it will be paid to you instantly into your Faucet Pay wallet, so it does not need you to wait for a long time or for some days or something. It is instantly that second. So I'm going to show you how you too can get your own instantly over and over and over again guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Right now I'm going to take you to the website in which you are going to get your own free TRX instantly into your Faucet Pay wallet, and you too can make get that unlimited TRX unlimited cryptocurrency. In case the price skyrockets, you know that you're going to bring the massive profit. So that's the main aim of our channel. So let's get straight into the website. So I've shown you this website before, but people are not making hold of the opportunity. You know, all these websites, they can close down at any time, so it is good for you to make use of the opportunity. So let me reload it right here. Sorry, the video is currently reloading. Sorry about that. I think the network is not really sound. Wait. So I will show you how you can get your own free TRX instantly into your Faucet Pay. So I will make another one right now. So this is the website. It's very simple. All you have to do if you get on this website is to just go down immediately. You have to select get free crypto now. You have to select the coin that you want. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So just click on TRX. I want TRX, and they said the link. I already copied my link. I'll paste it. But if you don't know how to copy your link from the Faucet Pay, just comment down in the description below, and I will show you how to get your link, to copy a link in the new Faucet Pay wallet. So after that, all you have to do just click on get free cryptocurrency. So sorry. So after that, you'll be directed to this box up here. So after that, you click on get free cryptocurrency. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you load up guys, let me pass around. Okay, so after that it will bring up a captcha in which you have to confirm that you are human and you are not a robot. So after that, you'll be brought to this page. You say please click each image containing a panda in the forest. Hope we are all familiar with panda. This is a panda. Panda looks more like a bear. So this is the panda in the forest. This one is not the forest, it's sleeping. Okay, so after I click on get free crypto. So without wasting much of our time, this crypto will be paid directly into our Faucet Pay wallet, and we will go and make the confirmation. So, and on this website we just have 5 claims again. You know, I've gotten 1 claim, I've gotten, and that's why I have 3 more claims. So you can do it over and over all again and again. So it depends on the crypto of the choice, but me, I've fallen in love with TRX so much. Sorry, I've fallen in love with TRX. So let me refresh the page, and you see that this is 100% real guys. This is 100% real. It is paying. Sorry. Okay, the website have refreshed itself. Can you see the payment has not arrived? Let me refresh it again. Sorry. Okay, the payment has now arrived because okay, can you see guys, the payment has arrived guys. The payment has arrived. Another free TRX for me. Cheers to me. Shares. So this is unlimited. It's an opportunity for you to get this free cryptocurrency that you have always desired over time. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You don't need to spend any money, no spending of money. If you want free cryptocurrency, you can check out my channel. So this is my channel. Sorry, I forgot to show you my channel. Crypto Investment Splash. We talk about getting this free cryptocurrency for free. I will keep it in our wallet. All you have to do is to get to your YouTube, search for my channel, Crypto Investment Splash. Sorry, so this is my channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel and help this channel grow. I have so many beautiful content for you on how you can get this free cryptocurrency. We talk about BitTorrent, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Scorpion, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Kata, Miners, Dogecoin, all different kinds of cryptocurrency. So please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. I'll put the link in the description to that website so that you too can get your ever first cryptocurrency. So thank you for watching. God bless you. I love you. Thank you so much.